Hey, welcome to my another video. Today I'll show you how to design a monogram logo. In this design, I'll share with you some tips and tricks. So let's start. First of all, we need to take some helping grids. So we go to view and click on show grid. Then we'll show in this artboard some grids. It's helping us to our design. Then we'll take ellipse tool and make a ellipse in this inner point. Now when I created these shapes in this place, now I take this color is black in stroke color, this place to stroke color, then I increases the value 3, that's good. Then I created another two shapes. Now we need to go to edit and copy, edit and paste in place. If I using some shortcut keys, it's help for me to make a good design in short time, so we can use shortcut keys. Now we created another shapes in this place. Now we using this time shortcut key Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Then we increase this circle, just hold on Alt and Shift and drag it out. Now we selected both of shapes in this place. Now we increases the value of shapes, stroke value. Then we created these shapes copy. Now we just hold on Alt and Shift and drag it down. Just we saw here have created more shapes in this place. Now we just adjusting these shapes. Now we created this is group. Now we created also in this group. Now we created more shapes for my design. Now we created a shapes in middle point in this place. Now we selected both of shapes and make its group. Now we selected all of shapes. Now we go to align and click on vertical align in top. When I completed this process, we need to take some shapes and we need to take some tricks. Now we using this shape builder tools, then we just click on these shapes and press on Alt key, then just drag and down. Then we deleted this kind of shapes. Now we take again shape builder tool and hold on this point and take its shape is good, smooth and easier. Then we created these shapes, then we minuses these shapes. It's no need for this design. Now we created more shapes in this place. Just we take pen tools and makes a shape. Now we give this color is white. It's now we remove front color, then we take 8 in this place. So good. Now increases the value of stroke. It's good for my design. Okay, that's good. Now we take another shapes in this place. That's good. Now we take another shapes in this place. It's also good. Now we just resize it and replace in this place. Now it's good. Now we resize this in this point. We need to take direct selection tool and resize these shapes. It's good. Now we need to delete or more things. That's good. When I completed this process, we need to expand all of those shapes. Now we selected all of shapes and increases the value of a stroke. Now we deleted this type of shapes strokes, then increases the main design stroke. It's good to see. Then I completed this. Now I adjusted these shapes in this place again. It's good. Then I adjusted this shapes in this place. That's good. Okay, it's done. Completed this process. Now we selected both of shapes and go to object and click on expand, then expanded the object, then we selected shape builder tools and deselect and deleted these points, just deleted this point and make it good shapes in my design. When I completed this process, then I go to window and click on pathfinder, then I created a unit shape. It's look like good shapes, but we need to remove something in this place. We need to shape builder tool, then we minuses this point and this point. It's good to my design. Then we selected both of things and we created these shapes a one unit shapes. When I complete these shapes, then I create this color in this place, then I just adjust it in these type of shapes. Now I click on minus, remove, then I click on remove, select and remove, then it's make it good shapes. When I completed this process, now we need to take some variation in this design. Now I selected this point and make it a good rounded shape in this place. It's a cool design. Text tool, then I created text for this logo, make this logo is good. Now we created a garden. Now we need to take a tagline for this logo. If I again selected text tool, then I created this tagline, ice tag line. It's good. Now we make it larger, then we just decrease the value of fonts. When I completed it, then I just give some space in this place, 500. It's good. Now we selected both of text and go to align and create alignment. Then I completed the text. I need to create some variation in these shapes. Now we need to make some variation in this icon. So for this step, we need to select these shapes and click on these, just triple click in this place. Then I selected these shapes and take a copy, then I deselected it, then I paste in this place. Now we decreases this height in this place. Now we make more shapes on using reflect tool, then I make a copy in these shapes. It's good. Now I need to another shape in this place. I take pen tools and make another shape. It's good. I think if you saw full of this video in carefully, you can learn more of tips and tricks. So it's going too long in this tutorial, so no more today. See you soon another design. So bye bye.